TV shows and satellites, studio and green screen, macro shots, media ads, where brilliance is seen. Economic prowess, documentaries we share, educational clips, bringing knowledge everywhere. Deja vu macro, the name that stands tall.
From yesterday to today, deja vu macro shines with skills on display. From editing to graphics, a new vision we show with professional cameras, film guns on the go, backroads on the go. Directors with keen eyes, bringing stories to life in every moment with flair and no strife. Content creation on every platform we roam. YouTube, Instagram, Telegram we call home. TV shows and satellites, studio and green screen, macro shots, media ads, where brilliance is seen. Economic prowess, documentaries we share, educational clips, bring knowledge everywhere.